John McQuay with 8541 Tactical, and today we're going to shoot a real short video clip talking about running the safety selector on the rifle. Now, there are quite a few different reasons why you would want the safety selector on or off, quite a few different situations, but my general guidance is that when you're up on target, then the safety is off. When you have an imminent need that you may need to fire, the safety's off. When your sights come off the target, the safety selector goes back on. It's really quick to take it off, it's really quick to take it back on, and if you utilize the selector all of the time, then it becomes an automatic motion. Now, there has been some argument on several different posts that I've seen that, well, that adds time, and in a life or death immediate situation, then that may be time that you don't have. Well, I think that's kind of a nonsense argument, because when you're manipulating the safety, you're doing it while you are doing something else. So you're manipulating the safety as you bring the gun up on target. You're putting the safety back on as you're bringing the gun back down. So you're doing it while you're doing something else that you have to complete before firing. So there's really no added time. So we're going to show that here real quick. I'm going to do 5 shots with the selector in the fire position and just leave it there. And then we'll do 5 shots with me applying or taking the safety off every time I come up. So 5 shots with the selector in the fire position. So Patrick, give me a beat.
Stand by. 108. Stand by. 110. Stand by. 113. Stand by. 122. Stand by. 127.
So you see where we're at with that? Now we're going to do it with me manipulating the selector every time I bring the gun up.
One, two, six. 112. 106. 117. 0.98.
So as you can see, manipulating the safety does not add any extra time to it, and it's just good common sense. Anytime your sights are not aligned with the target, your safety selector needs to be on. You can't tell if that's the time that you're going to fall through the floor, you're going to trip over something, whatever, and that grasp reflex is something that you cannot rule out, you cannot train out. So if the safety selector is on when you're not on target, that minimizes the risk of you pulling the trigger and firing a shot when you don't want to fire the shot. So train to run that selector, it'll become second nature, and then it won't add any extra time to whatever you happen to be doing.